Right, we've relogged back in as a branch manager, but for the purpose of this overview video, we have logged into a different branch, basically because this branch we have completed a full month worth of roster, and the reporting and everything will be far more beneficial to view from a full month perspective as opposed to just a few days. So when the branch manager logs in, they can go to show actual and they will see that they have the full month available first through to the last day of the month. Alright, so let's just go to the reports quickly and let's just go through them a little bit more detail. So basically on a monthly roster, you will note that every single day has been rostered and the complete format looks a little bit like that. With regards to employee attendance, this is a breakdown of each particular employee with particular hours that they've worked with regards to night shift, normal hours, Sundays, public holidays, etc., along with any comments and all the details that are required, along with totals. This obviously has a printable version which can be issued to the employee for signature should it be required, and all of the people that have worked in that particular branch in that month will be available. With regards to the branch summary, this is a summary of all of the employee attendances in a nutshell, and there's a single view of all the people that have worked in that branch, along with the quantities of hours that they have worked, along with totals, giving you a single view of the entire branch. Your rostered versus actual report is basically a comparison between the numbers of hours and the value of the hours rostered and the number of hours and value of those hours worked, which is beneficial to be used from a budgeting and or performance perspective. Okay, so let's just getting back to the hours itself now. We are logged in as the branch manager. So I will select my first day of the month. It is the 1st of November, and I will now edit the hours according to actual attendance. Okay, so just as an example of, we've just altered those two records and our actual attendance has now been altered very slightly. Now through this facility we are also able to do temp transfers, which is in essence when we borrow an employee from a different branch and we bring them to our branch for a particular day, and we are also able to do callbacks, which is a situation where an employee is on leave or they are off and they'll call back into the branch for any particular users to work. Those will be captured using these two buttons here, the more details of which we will run through in the detailed branch manager training. So basically on a daily basis, once the branch manager has completed editing all the hours according to the actual hours attended by the employees, they will basically confirm as actual, and each day will be submitted individually according to whatever has been captured. The system will automatically calculate night shift hours and Sunday hours with a couple of the other options being editable as and when required. So basically the branch manager will now go through each employee each day and approve and authorize that that person worked those hours on that particular day, and as such all of our reporting, as we looked at a couple of minutes ago, will automatically be updated with whatever records they have now submitted. Once they're happy with the day, they will go to confirm as actual, and they will then basically proceed through the entire month, performing the same functions on a daily basis. When these records have been confirmed as actual, they are sent through to the area manager, where they will sit and wait for the area manager to approve and in essence sign off the attendance for the entire month. Area manager also has the ability to decline hours. Should they not be happy with what has been recorded, they can discuss the issue with the branch manager. They can resolve whatever needs to be resolved, and the hours can then be sent back to the branch manager, back to the area manager, where they will continue through the process.